Good morning, everyone. This is my yard. So it actually rained last night. So here are my dragon fruit. Luckily, I did not water my plants yesterday because I was thinking about it. It's been almost a week now, but the rain came and watered it for me. So here they are in my planter. Okay, yesterday I had pollinated. Oh, there's a rain, okay. I had pollinated one of the flower before it rained. So I hand pollinated it when it kind of bulked out, and then I put a cup right over it. I found this technique by watching one of Paul Erickson's video from What Plant Is That, Paul? So I thought it's pretty nice trick and figure I might try it, and so it did. There's the rain. Good thing I covered. All right, now I'm gonna try to collect the pollen from it. So let's open up and see our flower. Okay, there it is. And it's slowly try to open up some more. Ooh, there you go. All right, and let's check it out. Okay. There we go. There's, oh, see, I pollinated yesterday. Just open it up. When it was like this, bulbing, not fully open, I just kind of open up the petal and then pull out the stigma, let it sticking out like this, and then just pollinate with the frozen pollen. Then I tucked it back in. That's it. Now it's open. All right. Awesome. All the pollens are still there and dried up. Okay, now it's time to collect the pollen by using the vacuum. Whoa, I love this thing. This is just awesome stuff. This is probably the most effective way to vacuum it, by using this here. See, I got a bunch of pollens in there for just one flower. This is just awesome. Love it. But collecting it for my next flower, my next bud that's about to bloom, which is right there, my red, my Noid red. And this one is probably my Vietnamese white. It's self-pollinated, but I just want to ensure that it gets the pollen it needs it and sets fruit. So I hand pollinate almost all of my flowers, all my buds. So here it is, pretty effective. Thank you, Paul, for the tip that you had shared with us on your channel. I think it worked. Thank you.